All right. So in this video, I'm going to cover um, how to reactivate your email list. All right, how to reactivate your email list to get fast cash, like how to get a bunch of sales coming in fast while you're setting up this process that we went through inside the course. All right. So what you're looking on the screen here is the actual process that if you watch this video, you're familiar with this process. I've showed you how to set this up from A to Z within the course. All right. But to reactivate your email list, you're basically going to set up ad number 3 here, where we're going to be, you could do ad number 2 as well. But I'm not going to get too in depth in that. But it's 2 ways we can reactivate your email list. In this video, we're going to cover uploading your email list to Facebook so that you can retarget your email list with Facebook on Facebook and Instagram. All right. But you can also upload your email list to a software called Go High Level. And I go a little bit in depth in that inside the course, but you can go on their website and get more information on it. But you can you can upload your email list to Go High Level and just reactivate your list by sending out text messages and emails. All right. But in this video, we're going to cover how to reactivate your email list by uploading your email list to Facebook so that you can retarget your email list on Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to stick with ad number 3 here. All right. And that's basically, I'm not going to go through how to set up ad number 3. If you made it this far in the course, then you already know we went through how to set up every campaign from A to Z. Go back and watch those videos if you need to know how to set the campaigns up from A to Z. In this video, I'm just going to cover the major points, the major things you need to do in order to reactivate your email list in order to get fast sales. All right. Another thing you need to know before I hop into Ads Manager is that so you have 2 different types of email lists that you can reactivate. All right. One of them is going to be an existing email list of people who subscribed to your email list. Don't go out and buy email lists of cold prospects, people who've never heard about your business, and try to bypass this and do it like the fast way. You're going to need, in order for this to work, you're going to need to have an email list of subscribers, people who subscribe to your email list, or you're going to need an email list of people who actually purchased from you already. So they purchased from you in the past. All right. The difference between these email lists is going to be the offers that you send to them. And I have a whole video inside the course telling you going over the importance of an offer. All right. The importance of having a grand slam offer. All right. It's going to be the difference of your business being mediocre and just getting by, or your business bringing in a massive amount of sales and creating freedom in your life. All right. So go watch that video if you haven't on an offer. But if you're targeting an email list full of people who've already subscribed to your email list, but they haven't purchased, it's going to be very important that you take a grand slam offer to this audience in order for this to work, in order for it to work really well. All right. You may be able to get by with the 10% off, 20% off discount, but that's going to get you mediocre results. You want to get great results, you're going to have a grand slam offer. And the best audience to take a grand slam offer to is going to be a warm audience full of people who've already shown interest in what you're selling. And I go over all that within the course, show you how to build that. I also go over, if you don't have an email list, you need to go watch the video on how to build out an email list, because that's going to be the bread and butter of your business anyway. Your email list, it's going to be a list. Once you build it, you can remarket to it from now on. Somebody in my past, a mentor, told me, market to your email list until they buy or die. All right. It doesn't cost you money to do it. Once you build the list, it doesn't cost money to market to your list, besides the money you pay for your marketing software. All right. So that's that as far as, so if you're taking an offer, but what about if you're taking an offer to people who've already purchased from you? Then you don't necessarily need to have a grand slam offer. The reason being is because let me backtrack a little bit too. A grand slam offer is designed to acquire new customers. Usually when a business acquires new customers, they spend money up front to acquire customers and then make that money back on the back end. So I spent 100,000 to acquire customers, make $1 million back on the back end once I sell them my products, right? Just giving an example. With a grand slam offer, you're going to make money while you acquire customers. That's why it's a grand slam offer. All right. But so let's get back on track. If you're retargeting your hot audience, people who've already purchased from you, you don't necessarily have to have a grand slam offer. They've already purchased from you, gotten a chance to like, know, and trust you. And hopefully what they purchased from you was a great product or service. None of this works if you don't have a great product or service. You know, it's just not going to work. People are going to purchase one time. They're going to realize you're playing games with them, and they're not going to purchase again. Or if they joined your email list and didn't get value, why would they purchase your product when they see your product on their timeline? Right? So before you do any of this, make sure you have a great product or service. But if you're retargeting a hot audience, you don't necessarily have to have a grand slam offer. You can sell them products related to the product they already purchased. Or if you have a product that could be purchased over and over again, then you can resell that product to them. And I personally would go with like a 10% off discount or something to get them to purchase now, but you don't necessarily need to have any discount when you're going after an audience of people who you've already built trust with. They've already purchased your product or service. All right. And that's that as far as I just want to give you a later foundation first to give you the foundation in order to make this reactivation campaign work. All right. So let's jump over here in Ads Manager. And to set this campaign up, I'm not going to go through how to set this up from A to Z because if you guys have watched and went through, like I say, the whole course, you guys know how to set this up, a campaign up. I'm just going to show you the main points, the main things you need to do in order to set up a reactivation campaign. So the main thing you're going to do is you want to come here and you want to come to create audience, go to custom audience, and we're just going to upload our email list to Facebook. We're going to come here to customer list, come to next, leave everything the same here, come to next. If you have a customer value, meaning the amount of money they spent with you, it's going to probably be for more e-com businesses. You're going to click yes. If not, you're going to click no. And then I don't have a list to upload here because I'm giving this just an example, but you're going to upload your email list here. It has to be a CSV file or TXT. And then the next screen, you're going to have what they call identifiers. All right. And that's just basically the email address, the phone number, age, whatever like identifiers you have about your prospect. In the next screen, you're going to check the box for every identifier that you have on your CSV file and then just click upload and then name your audience. All right. And that's it. You're going to come over here to campaigns. Right? When you come to campaigns, you're just going to come here to create. And you're going to be going with a sales campaign for reactivation. So you're going to click sales, go to continue. Again, I'm not going to go through all the steps because I'll show you inside the course how to set up campaigns from A to Z. All right. But I'm going to show you the main points. You want to keep on your CBO campaign because especially when you're going after a warm audience, you want to test a lot of different creative videos, different images, so in different ad copy. So keep on your CBO, turn your CBO on. They call it Advantage campaign budget now, but it's the same thing. It's a CBO campaign. And you're going to come here to next. You're going to click website. Your performance goal, you're going to keep it as conversions. Click your pixel and come here to purchase. And then the only thing you're going to do is come down here to custom audience and put in your audience that we just set up. Whenever you're targeting a custom audience, it's important too. You don't want to come down here and start messing with anything here. Your location, age, gender, detail targeting, everything else stays the same here. You only want Facebook to retarget this audience, that audience only. So keep everything the same there. As far as your placements, everything's going to stay the same here. Advantage. Click next and then go through the process of setting up your actual ad, adding your ad copy and creative. Again, I'm not going to go over all of that because I go over all of that inside the course in detail. And if you're watching this video, you should already know how to set your campaign up at the ad level. All right. So drop any questions that you have below this video. Get out there and apply what you're learning in this video and throughout the whole course. If you don't apply what you're learning inside this course, you're not going to get any results. I can guarantee you what I'm teaching you inside this course, I actually apply it on a daily basis inside my agency, Vital Force Digital. So I know for 100% fact it works, but sometimes you have to test. All right. So get out there, apply what you learn inside this course. Get the results, come back inside the course, drop your comments below. Let us know, everybody inside the community, the type of results you're getting. If you have any questions, if you learn anything new, come back, drop them below the videos. And I'm actually going to be sending a Facebook group out to all of the students so that we can communicate there as well. So that's it. Drop your comments below this video. Let me know if I missed anything. I'll get your questions answered. I'll see you guys on the next one.